All right, so what I love about this is that well, one, it comes with a plug cover removed if you want to keep it on for protection. But what I love about this plug is that it has this hole right here that will help it to be easier to pull it out of the socket. So I love this. I love the idea that it has this. It's not the regular. So pulling it out, removing it from the socket would be a little easy. I love that about it. The cord is not very long, and one of the things that they do recommend based on this notice here, it says please ensure that the stainless steel filter basket is thoroughly cleaned after each use, and it's this dishwasher safe. So yes, the basket needs to be cleaned after each use, and it's not easy to be cleaned, so they have indicated a brush right here on it, and I will definitely agree that you need a brush. If you don't have a brush, it's kind of hard to wash the basket, because just running water on it doesn't wash it properly. So yeah, get yourself a brush. And as I told you guys in the first video, this juice extractor is very heavy, and I don't know if the weight means good quality or whatever. This is my first juice extractor, as I said before. All right, so we're going to now disassemble, because it comes in the box basically assembled like this. All right, so this is it right here. This is the shoe to push. This is a pusher that has 2 grooves on either side that lines up with the chute opening. This handle right here is what helps it to the cover to be locked in place. So with this handle snapped in place, it's firmly on, right? But once you remove, like push this handle back, so you push it forward, and there's a slot on either side of the cover here where the handle slides into place. So what we do is slides into place. So what we do now is push it forward to release it, push it backward to lock it, and when it locks or goes into the space, the groove, it makes a lock sound. So we push it forward, and then once we do that, then the cover is easily removed. All right, so we lift the cover up. Looking on the cover here, it has a groove right here that lines up with this part, and once it can't be locked any other way, because if it's not lined up, it's not going to be locked. So we have to put it in the, so it doesn't rock, right? So we remove this, and then we have the blade strainer thing. I'm not looking at the manual, I'm just telling you from what I'm seeing in front of me. All right, so this now is a strainer, and we have to remove the strainer. But the strainer can't be removed so easily. It can't be removed so easily. We actually have to, let me go down a little closer. So it can't be removed so easily. So we have to, that white arrow that you're seeing there, it has to be lined up with the groove that is inside there to be removed. So basically we can't see the groove, so I have to just take the time, line it up, and then pull it, right? So once it's lined up, it pull. This white arrow is what I was saying. It has 3 white arrows on it, 2, 3, that we have to line up with in here. So in here has the 3 arrows as well, and when we're putting on this, we have to line it up, put it in line with the groove right there, arrow with the groove inside there. And then now this is the trash holder thing. I don't remember what it's called, but yeah, so this is what we lift off. This has the opening where the juice comes out and goes into this hole, and the jug goes under here. So yeah, so this is it, and the jug, right? So when we're putting it back, we have to make sure everything is lined up in the specific spaces that they should be, and we're good to go. So yeah, we're gonna do some juice now. we're gonna do some juice for the first time. Okay, so we have already washed the parts, and we are now ready to use. So we're going to now plug it into the outlet right here, and then push the on and off button, which is right here, to on, and then with the motor running, place food into the food chute using the food pusher, which is this. Oh no, which is this. So we're ready to go. I've put on my gloves. So we're gonna push the button to on. And there we go. Alright. Oh, this is looking a little worse. Alright, hold on. Hold on, guys, hold on. Alright, so I've got to push it forward a bit so that I can reach here. Alright. Alright, so that made me nervous just now because I dropped it in there. So I'm gonna put more than one in, right? Because I didn't need to cut it, and I actually did cut it, but that's fine. So we're gonna go back to on, and then we're gonna be doing this. Woo! Yeah! Right there. Guys, I'm not telling no lie, I'm nervous using this for the first time. The next time, I'm not going to cut it. Where we are now. So we have done carrot and cucumbers. Look at all of that. I think that maybe we can do some carrot cake with this trash, I don't know, maybe. Yeah, do the pine, and then
stop working out?
No, I never stop working. I just stop workout for bottles are, this is carrot, I only got one bottle of beet, one cucumber, and this is actually cucumber and some pine because a little of the cucumber was left over and I mixed it with the pine to give me that. So these are my juice. First time using the juice extractor. Definitely will be doing more.